wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like, I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like, I wanna be like. Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be doing an easy DIY gift ideas for Valentine's Day or for your birthday, and it's gonna be super easy, like no effort required gift ideas. So if you want to watch that, continue. I have a Twitter and Instagram if you want to follow me on them. I also have a Snapchat where I add every single person back. So yeah, we can get on to the super simple, easy, no effort required gift ideas for Valentine's Day. Okay.
So for my first treat idea, I used a brownie mix and sprinkles. I followed the recipe on the box of the brownies, and then I added my sprinkles. I had some heart sprinkles, some pink ones, and I had some Valentine's Day M&Ms. So then I put the brownies in the oven, and then they were ready to go. So for my next idea, I took gummy bears and Reese's. I printed out puns and then I taped them on to the boxes, and that was it. So for my next idea, I took pieces of paper and I drew Valentine's Day puns on them. This one says, "I like you a waffle lot," and then I drew a waffle on it. You're a shooting star, I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive, we're like diamonds in the sky. I had a dream, we were back to 17. Summer nights and the libertines, never growing up. I'll take with me the... So for this next one, I wrote, "I hate everyone but you," and then all around it, I drew a bunch of different colored hearts. So this one says, "I do not want to be without you," or no, this one says, "I wouldn't be whole without you," and then I drew a donut and I put a bunch of different color sprinkles on it.
So that was the end of the video. If you enjoyed, you should subscribe, like, comment, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and you should share with friends if you enjoyed it because I really want more subscribers. Okay, so goodbye.